In the grand theater of the universe, everything flows. Here on Earth, in our industries, fluids are the lifeblood. Imagine baking a cake without measuring ingredients. Chaos. Similarly, precise fluid measurement in industrial operations is fundamental. It ensures efficiency, safety, and quality control. Accurate flow measurement optimizes resource consumption and reduces environmental impact. It's critical for billing and custody transfer, preventing financial discrepancies. Each substance presents unique challenges, spurring the development of various flow measurement technologies. Among these, magnetic flow meters and differential pressure (DP) flow meters stand out. Choosing the right instrument is crucial for operational excellence. Imagine a river flowing electrically conductive within a magnetic field. This induces a voltage based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Magnetic flow meters, or magmeters, apply this principle to measure fluid flow. The meter body contains electromagnetic coils generating a magnetic field. Conductive liquid passing through induces a voltage proportional to its velocity. Electrodes detect this voltage, translating it into flow rate. Magmeters have no moving parts, leading to low maintenance and energy efficiency. They excel with conductive liquids like water, wastewater, and chemicals. However, they require the fluid to be electrically conductive. Proper grounding and installation are essential to avoid electrical noise. Magmeters offer high accuracy, often within plus 0.5% of the flow rate. DP meters are reliable and versatile. Choosing between a magnetic flow meter and a differential pressure flow meter depends on your application. For conductive liquids, magmeters are excellent due to their non-intrusive design and high accuracy. For non-conductive liquids, gases, or steam, DP meters are suitable. Magmeters offer high accuracy and good turndown ratios. DP meters might have slightly lower accuracy and limited turndown ratios. Magmeters require less maintenance, while DP meters need periodic attention. Installation for both requires proper setup to avoid errors. Economically, DP systems might seem cheaper initially but have higher long-term costs. Magmeters with low pressure drop and minimal maintenance offer lower total cost of ownership. The choice balances budget, fluid properties, accuracy, and long-term considerations. Both tools are effective when matched to the right task, ensuring efficient industrial flow.